Hey, today it's raining, so this is part 1 of raining. Oh my goodness, it is raining so bad. I was trying to film on video on Snapchat. It is raining, guys. You guys should like in the comments. It has happened before, guys. It's going to overflow or something. Oh no. See, it's leaking from the drain. Can you see that? It's leaking from the drain.
It's flooding our house right now.
Not flooding. Look at the big drain. Guys, and also, guys, my guinea pig? I actually kind of, what the heck? It's like watching it rain. Like, it's like flooding. Guys, look at that next to the guinea pig cage. It's supposed to go upstairs. It will only fall downstairs. They won't be able to feed it upstairs. And that's with the storm last night. It's okay because they're upstairs. The only one is going very high, touching water, get them on in the table. What? Those plants are going to go. Oh, guys, you see how big water? You can drop in there. Guys, we'll see in part 2. Oh, guys. And also good for our new trees, guys. You see our trees? It's trying to grow, so that's actually pretty good. So I want my trees. I planted them. And also I have a plate down there. I can't see it because it's raining. I don't want to get my camera open. This is like 5,000 or something. I don't know how much I got from Christmas. Guys, that's what the outside here is like. Guys, we'll see in part 2. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.